Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be attempting to make an interactive web application using Vue.js and NASA's web API. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be sending an HTTP request to NASA's API and getting this JSON response and displayed in the HTML page using Vue.js. So let's get started. I have a basic application structure here set up, so it's just a simple app. We have a div with an ID. It's gonna be assigned to Vue so that Vue knows that we're gonna have to work inside this div. So I've set up an input field with a Vue model called query. So it's gonna be synced with this variable here. So we have an input type submit. So we have a submit button, and when clicked to that submit, it's gonna fire this function right here. So let's get started. So we're going to use fetch here. It's a JavaScript function to send HTTP requests to basically anywhere. So it can send post requests, can send get requests. So we're going to be using it to send a get request to the NASA's API here. So we're going to use JavaScript promises. So response, and we're going to return response.json. Then I'm just going to call it first JSON. Console.log. Let's just log this, see what we get. Now we should get the data in the console. Yeah, we get the collection array. So now we can access collection. Inside collection we have items, so we should get the item array now. So click submit, we get the collection array. So I haven't made this dynamic yet. To make this dynamic, we're gonna have to use this syntax right here to basically assign the query variable here instead. So this dot query, property. It's called a property when it's accessing through a class. Sorry. So now we should be sending dynamic data. Let's check. Yes, looks like, yeah, we're sending dynamic data now. If we check with Moon, should be getting, yeah, it just sent it. So now we're getting the response. Now let's assign it inside the results array, so we can use Vue.js to loop through them inside the HTML. Now we have assigned, I have assigned the results, so now I can use, I'm gonna use a div here. So I'm gonna use a v4 that's going to just loop through the results. So result in results, and I'm gonna just let's use a h2 here and dump the result here. Now we should get something on the HTML page. Yes, we get the data, and we're getting the items array now. You can see it's looping through them. Inside item we have data, so we can access that data. Looks like data is an array, so we have to access it like this. So we're getting the first one, and I'm just gonna get the title here. Okay. Let's see what we get. We get the title, yeah. So now it's getting all of these titles from the items array. We can also get the descriptions. Let's get the description. So I'm gonna be just doing the same thing here. Data. description. Now we'll get the description. Yes, now we get the description. Now the next thing to do is to get the images from the, what do we have, links. Looks like we have a href right here, so we can get that image and display it in here. So I will add an image tag here, src. To assign to an image src dynamically, we have to use this to let view know that this is going to be dynamically assigned. So let's just have result dot length. Length is also an array, so we have to access it like this. So dot href. Now we will get the image as well. Now we get the image. Great. Now that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and it's really